How to zoom in and zoom out on CapCut. So let's get started. So first thing what you want to do is just head over to your CapCut and simply import any one of the videos which you want to zoom in and zoom out. So to first, what I will do is I will simply bring in this video over here and simply trim the video or split the video under the two different sections, since I want the zoom in effect only in this particular section. So I'll just show you from this section to this section, that means first to second option. So now you can, first option what you can do is you can basically drag this arrow icon from the edge of your video to like this, to up to how much you want. And once you are satisfied, you can also increase or decrease it from over here, which is the right section scale. So according to your choice, you can basically use both of the tools. And finally, once you are satisfied, you can simply tap on this export button at the top right corner of your navigation bar to simply export the video. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.